This is David Birch. Welcome to day number 3 of the 15-minute wellness 28-day challenge. Today we're going to be doing a very relaxing, literally very relaxing exercise, balanced breathing. So balanced breathing is whenever the inhale matches the exhale. We're going to slow down the pace of breathing. Most of us breathe from 12 to 20 breaths per minute. We're going to slow that down to the heart coherent rate of 6 breaths per minute. And what that is the rate where your breathing through your nervous system matches coherently the heart rate. So our heart rate becomes a sine wave that matches the breathing pattern. And that pattern is an inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, and exhale, 4, 3, 2, 1. That is a 5-count breath because I have to say the word inhale and exhale. So it's inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, exhale, 4, 3, 2, 1. We don't want to occupy the mind with counting. We want this to be Qigong. We want a relaxed and focused mind, just focusing on the movement, on the Qigong itself, on the feeling. So we link our breath to our motion. Kind of like riding a bike, you get the feel for it. With this, right now, get the feel for this. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 4, 3, 2, 1. That is the breath. The movement is just bending at the elbows and lifting up the palms and then letting the palms float back down. We link them together. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4 as we inhale up and we exhale down. So now that you have this motion, we're going this slow. It does not have to be exactly right. We want you to relax and enjoy this practice, this long, slow, deep breathing that is balanced. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 4, 3, 2, 1. But we're going to add more things. Remember the opening and the closing? So shift all your weight to the right, open with the left, sink, bottom heavy, top light. Breathe in, float the head. Breathe out, feel the weight on the soles of the feet. Breathe in, feel your scalp. All at once, let the stress sink and release from your body from head to toe. Let's do that with a sigh of relief. Inhale, exhale with a ha sound. One more time. Inhale, exhale. Smile from the heart. Now, lifting palms. Lift your palms up as you breathe in. Drop your palms as you breathe out. We're inhaling 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhaling 4, 3, 2, 1. Set it and forget it. Inhale up. Exhale down. Breathing in, lift the palms up. Breathing out, lower the palms down. Relax. Inhale. Enjoy the breathing. Exhale. Relax. Sink. Breathing in. Breathing out. Breathing in. Breathing out. Inhale up, exhale down, inhale, and exhale. Link your breath to your motion so that you are breathing in as you inhale up and breathe out as you exhale down. And if you're just watching this video, why aren't you doing it? And if your eyes are open, if you feel safe, why not close your eyes and relax and shift your state more? Shift into the relaxation response. Regulate your nervous system using your breath. Relax more. Shift your mental state, your brain waves. Going, breathing in, breathing out, lifting up, relaxing down. Release all tension, physical, mental, emotional. Just let it go. So let your arms float down, your palms down by your side, releasing any tension that you feel inside of you. Sigh of relief. Soften the knees. Soften the shoulders, releasing tension. Release tension at your core, your belly, lower back, glutes. Soften the knees. Now focus on your belly button. Your mind goes inside and down a few inches. Find your center of gravity and ground yourself there. Sink. Enjoy the stillness with your eyes closed still. We're still breathing. Relax. Enjoy your breathing. Now keep your eyes closed. Rub your palms together briskly. Make some heat. Warm up your palms through friction. Place the warm palms over your eyes. Eyes still closed. Let the warmth sink into the eyes. You're covered. Enjoy the darkness. And then Slowly blink open your eyes, allowing a little bit of light in. Pat, pat, pat. Lift up your palms, allowing a little bit more light, more and more light. Warm up your palms again. Do a dry wash, starting around your eyes, bigger, bigger circles around the face. Comb through your hair, through the scalp, fingers close to the scalp. Massage the back of your neck and shoulders. Sigh of relief. Thanks for joining me on day 3. See you in day 4.